Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're having a great day, an amazing day. Just got a package with the accessories for this camera. Let's see if it is what I'm thinking about. And it is, man. My tripod, the lights, one of these must be the cage. I don't know what is this. Ah, the batteries. This is really important. So this means that I'm going. But in these vacations, which I'm going to be more working than anything else, but in these vacations, I'm going to.
A few moments later.
I'm going to film like
1 hour later.
awesome, because I already have the tripod and mainly the batteries. Because this battery of this camera, it runs fast. It runs really fast. You can charge like 3 batteries. Good. I'm liking it. And I like that the batteries have its own case. The lights, which are going to be useful to charge with USB-C, I guess. The lensy light. What the hell? This light is really strong. This actually really important also. A cage for the camera. Yeah, it gives like a really nice grip. The camera is going to be much bigger, I believe. Tripods to use like this, so better to buy it. Shit, man, it fell at the first time. Yes, the bag was open. I didn't know it. The smell is weird. I don't know why, I just always smell these things. I'm going to put this on the camera to start use the camera in amazing conditions. And I'm going to test that batteries to see if they are 100%, if not, to charge them. I see you next time. Peace out!